Hi guys, coming today we'll be playing Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Loading. Continue. Load quickly. Thank you. That was really good though. But just wait. What? Hmm. Alright. Okay. But where did that booster thing go? Oh, I guess I can remake it. Why was it lagging? Bring this. Yeah. I'll see that. Uh, let's go. Okay. Wait, when we need to go this thing? Okay. Okay, let's go. Hmm. Okay, let's see if I have Zonite. Nope, I do not have a Zonite. Okay. Oh, I can. he's back. Okay. This cave clearly has ample resources. It is gradually yielding lesson. Okay. Let's go back up. So where are we going? Whoa! That is cool. Let's go. And I only opened the chest, yeah, I did. I'll get to charge it up by itself. We go that one. Okay. Oh! Now I know what this is for. Connect that to there right there. Grab it up there. Then put it on right there. So I think that's a bit too close. Yo! Oh my gosh! That's so cool! We're stuck! Oh no! We're stuck! Dad, look. Look at this. Look at this. I have ultra core. Dad, look. Dad, look, I have ultra core. Look. Look. Ultra core. It can hang and it can go in roads now. But that one is broken. So I'll use on this one. The other one's broken, so I use the hook. And the thing, that fan for me to push it. Then look, Dad, look. Ready? And yeah, that one's broken, so if I would go on that one, I would die. Look, bring in. See that? That's cool. That's how I was stuck. I was stuck before. Stop.
Nice.
I'm cooking the... Yeah. Oh, what's here? I see a chest. Did I just flip upwards? Okay. Let's check this chest. What do we have here? I got portable. Wait, is there a device for cooking food? Oh, I want that. I want more of that actually. That's why I'm gonna cook food. What is this? Oh my gosh, that's okay. So let's take that with us. Wait, where else could we go now? Wait, is there any other place where we can go? Oh no, this is the... Oh, it's a corner. I got Zelda charge. Okay, cool. Bench drop. Okay, nothing around here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, rotate. Okay, let's go back. Oh my gosh, is the cart and the thing to hang on? That is cool, man. Ooh, okay, back here. Let's put my zonite charge in. Oh. Okay. We're gonna cook some food. Sure, I'll cook someone. What could I cook? I'll hold that, that, and one more. Spicy. Aw, man, let me cook one recipe. Okay. Where should I go now? Not ringing. Okay, I guess I have to take two. But where do I take you? Where do I take you? Where should I go? Where is that? The shrine. Let's come over here. It's not there, then where is? That's the first shrine, that's the second shrine. Where is it? Oh, I see the third shrine, but that's way too cold. How am I supposed to get up there? The shrine's up there. But it's too cold.
Bookmark it on the map so you know where to get there first. Go bookmark it. If you can see it, bookmark it. You can climb up, Lum. The map. Yeah, where is it?
Right here?
Yep. Bookmark it. Oh, you already bookmarked it?
Yep.
Way too cold?
Yeah, it's way too cold over there. I can't get there. How am I supposed to get there?
Keep going there first.
No, it's too cold.
Cold and get some food so things can keep you warm.
Food don't warm you.
Yeah.
Only that's spicy.
See, cold resistance. Those are the ones that can give you resistance to cold. That's for 5 minutes. You know that. Okay. Yeah, go there.
I can cook my food now. By myself, without going anywhere else that I need to go. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, only when it's cold though. Don't eat now until you're cold. You will see it when you get cold. There we go. Yep. So now you have to go fast. Try to go up. Find a way up. Fast. There we go. Go, 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 go.
Where?
Go up a little bit more to the left. Maybe.
Nope.
Can you climb up that thing? No, not that one. That one is too slippery. The other one. The other one. No, the one on the right.
This one?
No, on the right. That's on the left, Slum. You see that wall? Yeah, you can climb up that wall.
No, I can't climb upside down though.
What do you mean?
No, I can't climb upside down.
When you get up there, you just turn left. Right? You turn left.
But that's where the ice is.
That's where the ice stops. You can stand right there. See? Just stand right there. Take a break.
How am I supposed?
Oh, you can't. Keep going. Almost halfway there. Look up. How far you at? No, almost there.
How am I supposed to rest?
So I guess you have to climb on the right so you can go up. No, go to the right a little bit. You can't go up there. Back to the left, Lum. Go now, you're gonna fall down. Okay. Okay, go to the right. Go to the right.
Where?
Go out. Go out. Don't go to. You can't climb up. Go out. Find a way and get up there.
Right here.
Yeah. There we go.
Oops. Okay. What resistance? Nope, I can't.
Hmm?
I can't climb, so I have to jump. X. And you get a little boost. You get boost. I don't think I can get up there, Dad.
Then find another way.
No, that's the only way. There. Well, I could just climb this side.
Sure.
But it's how much supposed to rest? Oh yeah, I can do something. I'll use that to rest on.
Nice. There we go.
Okay, that's the highest.
So go to the right a little bit more.
No, no, I can go this way.
Nice.
Then I climb on the wall. Then
Yes.
I need two of these.
Is there another one you can grab? This one is enough though. You can try it now.
Go. No, not that.
There you go.
I can't. You have to stand on something, then do it. I can't climb while doing that. That would be a cool thing, though. Bro, my axe.
You have to use your axe.
I'll use this stone axe.
Yeah.
Wait. What? Equip? Why did it say equip? Turn up one. Okay.
No! Why? You need that tree.
Miss Quick. I got a Miss Quick. How am I supposed to chop this one? I can't. I can chop meat. But I can't chop the big trees. Those are some of the big rocks. I cannot. I cannot do that. Help. No. Can help.
Oh, what?
That's okay. Oh, I can go up there.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Yes, I can.
There's a trail goes
I
there.
know I can go up there so I can bring this. Oh no, I can't bring that.
What's inside the
What, this?
No, inside the cave
Oh, I explored that.
already?
Yeah, pick him. Why is it saving? Oh, I'm already there. Yeah, so this guy's, what's this?
So if you're already in there, then don't need to do it. Go back out. Are you reading it?
Nope, I already read that.
Okay, then skip it. Get back out. Why you hit him?
No, I'm trying to break that. I don't know what that was.
Oh.
Why does it have me?
You have things to cook? There's a thing for you to cook.
Yeah.
Go in there and cook it. No, inside. Inside, there's a cook. There's a fire inside.
Okay.
Yeah, go cook food. Because you're gonna be cold. Cook all the food. Food do you have?
Acorn?
Coin, and then more. Hold 5 things. So
Acorn.
that will help you with the coldness.
So hold and then.
Hold more, yeah. And then just add more of the other ones. You have to mix them up, Lum.
Okay, I'll use this because it gives me a plate.
Only 3 things?
Yeah.
No, you can pick 5 things. Because it gives you more health. This one is not. Oh, you got cold resistance right there. So you get more. I think the
Get more of this.
yes, that's help you with the cold. No, you split it out.
Too much.
Why don't you do all 5, Lum? But do different kind of food. 1, 2, 3, then do another food. Yes, all kinds of food. Pick them.
Which one is not food?
Those are not food?
No.
Oh, what about bottom one? Like, what's that? Eyeball?
Yeah.
Can you cook it?
Nope.
No, those are not food.
Nope.
Well, the top one. The top one. Up 2. Those.
Nope.
Elemental. Okay, so you don't have anything? Yeah, just cook. Why don't you grab more food? Oh. Okay.
What do you think?
That's a lot of food. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Where were we?
Are you trying to get to
To the top?
Yeah, the shrine is a really,
so-
really cool place.
Oh yeah, we need to be ready. So let's move out. Go on the other side. What do we have? Why you walk so slow?
Because you said moving out.
Okay, so it looks like you cannot climb that one.
Oh yes, I can, but it takes so long.
Yeah, then try it.
Oh yeah, okay. So let's see what. Well, I have to eat straight away, so it's hard.
Yeah, once you get up there, it's gonna be tough. You need to get to the top very fast. Okay,
Well,
so go up here.
Wait, I want to jump for more. I want to jump.
There you go. Don't. Yeah, that's good.
I just wanted to jump without.
Yeah, this is good. This should be enough. It should be enough.
Uh-oh.
That should be enough. You have enough.
You know that?
Stand over here. Go over here to stand on it.
No, but that's too small.
But you have enough. See, only half. You have way more than enough. Get to the top. Just go straight, Lum. Don't go sideways. You're wasting it. Oh man, getting cold. Eating. Yeah, this one is really hard because you need to get out the cold.
You need help?
Eat it, yeah. Only one is enough. You still have enough health. Go.
No, I'm cold.
Oh, you eat the one that is helping you with the coldness. No, not that.
That's hope.
Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Eat the one that said cold resistance. Yes, that one. Eat that one.
This one, no, I know this one.
Yes, that's good. Now you have you ate all your food now.
Oh my god, I got more stamina.
By eating it?
Yes.
Oh, really? No, you don't.
No, I just got
Okay,
more.
so now I'm trying to go fast. Where's the top?
Over there.
Yeah, go. Gotta go.
Gotta go fast. Yeah, gotta go fast.
Yeah, run fast. There's no time to find food. Oh, talk to him. Right there, to the right. No, on the right. He's right there.
Bro, what do y'all need? Two constructs and captain constructs are only doing their duty to protect the Garden of Time. At the time, it was sadly necessary to protect our land from invaders. I'm very sorry for any threat they pose to you now. Wait, go, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Alright now. Okay. Gotta go fast. Go fast. Gotta go faster. Ouch. Hey.
Hurry up! Oh my goodness. Get the thing. No, you still have a lot of health.
Are you serious?
Yeah, when you eat the cold resistant, it will give you more health.
Look at that.
You have one and a half. You can eat if you want, but you don't have enough to go to keep. Oh man, you don't have enough. You need more cold resistance. Keep going, eat it. But that's too much. No, you still have a lot of heart, Num. Keep going. You don't need to eat.
Look at this.
Yeah, 1.5. That's good.
That's not a half. That's 1
1.25. That's good enough. What you gonna lose to? Somebody? Okay, now you can eat some. You got some cold stuff? Get that?
What's that? Same emitter.
Okay, eat something. Constructable. Keep going. You don't have time for this. You got the wrong. Oh, eat something. Eat that. Oh, that's too much. Oh my goodness, that's 4. Okay, good. Let's go. How to get to the top? Where is it?
I'll go in this cave.
No, you don't have time for that.
Okay.
Maybe you do, but not. That's not.
Fine food.
Yes, eat it, because you can make more.
I just eat it.
So go around. No, cook it. You have to cook it. Don't eat it.
What do I have to cook with it?
Just cook it by itself. Cook by itself. Cook 5 of them. Go down and cook. I told you to cook before. That's why you didn't cook. Get all 5 and cook. And then grab more.
Here.
Just throw that out. You can't even take out that one. It's too late. Oh my goodness. Maybe that's inside the cave.
Oh no, that's because I'm crawling.
Oh, that's why. So then cancel. Don't crawl. Okay, climbing. Okay, now take it out. 1. Get. Yes. Do it fast. And then cook.
I can only cook 1.
Yeah, get all 5 of them. Yes. And cook it.
Okay.
Cook. Skip it. Yes. See? 12 minutes. More. Go find more. So you need to make sure you grab them. You got 5, yeah, burn another one. Make another one. You got 12 minutes on that one. You see that? One cook. So you need to get those red peppers. Find more. But it will be on your way. So on your way to get there, you're going to find more. So cook all that. All 5 of them. That's 12 minutes. That's a lot of time. Cook it. There you go. Boom, another 12 minutes. Great. Let's go around and you can find more. Just make sure when you see it, you need to eat it. You walk so slow, my boy. Walk fast. You don't have time. Look at the timer. Got 1 minute. So we need to get to the top. How?
Uh-oh, I don't know. Let's go explore the cave first.
Yeah, explore the cave.
Because I don't have much, and I'm not gonna...
Maybe there's some red peppers in here. This guy. But you lose. You run out of health. What's that? Oh, get your. You know how to defeat that one?
Nope.
Where are you going?
Goodbye.
You run away from it? Get your arrow out. You shoot arrows.
No,
you don't know how to shoot arrows?
Huh?
Shoot arrows.
No, I don't want it.
Okay?
It's just bottomless, and I don't like bottomless things.
Okay, skip it. Go. Don't stand there. You lose time. Why you go in there? Are you going to go in there?
No.
No, then get back out.
Okay, I'm going to eat one.
Eat what?
What is it?
The bottom one. Eat cold resistant 12 minutes. That's a lot of time.
12 minutes and half an hour. And half a minute.
30 seconds.
No, half a minute. Say half a minute.
Yeah.
Ready?
So, okay. Eat. Look at your timer. But you only have 2 though. 1, go!
Where am I supposed to go now?
Find a way to get up there. What are you doing?
Picking my weapon.
Oh, picking a different one.
No.
No, don't use that. Save that. Use that for something that was hot. You want to burn something? Use that.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
Vậy giờ là con.
Over here? No.
No, no. That's going down. That's going down, Lum. Wrong way.
Alright, let's go this way.
This is so fun. Maybe I can play what you play. What you think?
I want you to help me play.
Help you play.
Help me and watch. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Alright,
Uh-oh.
so
Mama,
keep going. Are we going down or what?
No, it's going up.
Nope, can't go. So there's only one way is to go up somehow.
But that ain't...
Where are you going? This is not
Going
gonna
up.
work. Can you climb up? Try it.
You
Yeah, go look up. Look up. Is there a way for you to
Right
stand?
there, right there.
Where?
Oh, no.
Oh, that's not enough. That's gonna be very slippery though. Is it slippery?
Yep.
Yeah, go down. Run fast.
You know
So we
this.
need to find. Hey, don't look like that. You're gonna fall down. Don't look that way. You're gonna fall down.
I can't find it. Okay, let's look for anything that we need out here.
Hmm. No. Don't hit those. You're gonna lose heart again. Come up. Let's see. Turn around.
No, I have to fight them.
Okay, you can. For what? Oh, they follow you now?
Yeah.
You lose 1 heart, half a heart. Here's another one. Only 1. Get him. Now lose another one. You're dead.
Huh?
Oh my god. So much damage. Hey.
2 damage and a half.
That is so much damage.
Oh, it's 30 already. 37. Alright, let's do it. You want to hope you enjoyed this episode? We can't even get to the try.
That's okay.
But, oh no.
Oh.
Bye guys. Comment you live life for more videos. This is Super Mario and Odyssey and
League of Legends coming soon.
yeah, League of Legends and Zelda.
Yeah. Bye bye.